To start off, I'm going to cut out all of my pattern pieces, which will be using these measurements. For this project, I'm going to be using the jeans' original waistband and all the fly pieces. I'm going to sew the back center seam together. So I've just sewn 2 rows of stitching along the back inner seam, and I'm going to take my 2 side pieces and I'm going to sew the curved edge to the edge of the back piece. Then I'm going to do a zigzag stitch to hem it. I also sew the center seam of the front piece, but not all the way up, so that way there's still room for the fly. Next, I attach the fly piece. This is a bit complicated and I don't really know how to explain it, so I'll just hope that you understand by watching. If not, you can always go and find another video that explains it better. Then on the front of the skirt, I'm going to take each of these sides and roll it over and then hem it. And I do that on both sides. After trying on the skirt, I mark where the front piece should attach to the back piece, and I pin it in place. So here I have the waistband from the jeans that I used to make this skirt. I'm just going to attach it to this by putting the seam inside of it and then sewing. After sewing on the waistband, I mark where the side pieces should be sewn to the back piece, and then I sew along the side seam. I do a zigzag stitch around the bottom edge, and then I hem it up by 1/2 inch. And this is how the skirt ends up looking.